This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a 2-car with baseboards in Tampa. So the baseboards are an option, but they really finish the floor in nice, give it a nice finished look, as you can see here. Here's some details around the fixture, what that looks like it's sitting on the floor. So the control joints are filled in, and that's what gives us this seamless look. Instead of having those big cut lines going up and down the middle of the garage, gives it just a nicer look, and just a nicer look to the whole project. Again, a little bit more of the details. This customer just moved into the house, just took possession, so he is going to repaint the garage. He's going to do it while it's empty. It's the only time to do it, really. But this floor looks really good. He was very happy with it. A little bit more of the details in the baseboard. This color is California Gray. Here's the lead-in edge that we squared up and rounded over. This particular customer has a Tesla, so as everybody knows, Teslas are very heavy with the battery. So that lead-in edge really has to not fight the car getting into the garage. Just the final details in this corner. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.